iLead is proud to present to you this groundbreaking graphic novel launched today, Brushstrokes and Beyond, Volume 1. This is a special day and a special occasion for the Department of Multimedia, Animation and Graphics under the School of Creativity in iLead. This is a compelling anthology of graphic narratives authored by the talented students of the Department of Multimedia, Animation and Graphics here, obviously with their mentors.
कि आपको सपना देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू हैव टू ड्रीम. वर्चुअल टूर आप कर सकते हैं कभी भी किसी मोबाइल के ज़रिए. स्मार्टफोन तो सभी के पास है और आपको एक प्रॉपर प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा. 10 years, 5 years या मैक्सिमम 15 years. देन यू हैव टू ट्रेन योरसेल्फ. देन प्रैक्टिकली आप उस फील्ड में जाके आपको देखना पड़ेगा आप कहाँ पे हो. और रेगुलर हर रोज़ एज एन एक्टर मुझे और आइदर आपको भी हर रोज़ अगर अपने आप को अपडेट नहीं करेंगे तो हम पीछे रह जाएंगे. क्योंकि पिछले 20 सालों से हम लोग अगर दुनिया को देखें इतनी तेज़ी से दौड़ रही है, उससे पहले कभी नहीं दौड़ रही थी.
In our art college, we have seen that our teachers used to say that art comes, means what Shubroto sir is doing, what I am doing, what Charbak is doing, what you are doing. So they used to say art comes. So what is that? That means when I am here, an artist sitting, talking to you people, probably the art has come to me. He has come for me and I am losing the time. When you are here sitting, enjoying and experiencing your publication, at that very time art has come to you.
Comic-Con is happening all around the world and all around in this country, India, but Kolkata is far behind that because Comic-Con mostly happens in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and these days Pune and Ahmedabad, but not Kolkata. Some groups are trying to arrange some Comic-Cons here, publish some magazines over here. But to arrange a Comic-Con, we have to do it ourselves or we have to move to other cities to participate in Comic-Con. For participating Comic-Con, you have to first took part in the exhibitor area that is called Artist Alley. It's a part of Comic-Con. That's called Artist Alley. You have to participate that. For that, you have to read most 100 of comics. Because if you read 100 and thousands comics, you can draw one page. So it's very important to read comics for making your own comics.
Brushstrokes and Beyond is a collection of graphic novels created by our very own students of iLead Kolkata who are passionate about visual storytelling. This anthology boasts diverse genres, ensuring it appeals to a broad spectrum of readers. So, this is something that is written. Now I'll tell you a BTS or behind the story. So when we have decided to create something like this, we first went to Mom Ma'am obviously to get a permission. Then once we got the permission, we made sure that all our students are willing to contribute in this. So fortunately we got 10 very talented students from our 6th semester who kindly participate in this, and they are now published authors. So guys, you have a ISBN in your portfolio.
There was a moment when I thought that I couldn't finish the story because the story was really long and we have to finish it in 1 month or 2 months. Finishing the story in 25 to 35 pages is like a tough challenge for me. There was time like I was so anxious and got panicked that I thought I gonna drop the story, but Saurabh sir and my friends really encouraged me.
So Story follows a young detective named Sarah who sets out to investigate a number of serial killings that have been plaguing her city. The investigation soon revealed that the murders might not be as simple as they seem.
Basically, my story is the messy creation, where it tells about a girl named Zoe who falls into a dream and she encounters her idol Mr. Doodle, where while she goes through Mr. Doodle's wall where he has done all his paintings.
I'm grateful to my school mentor, Mrs. Chatterjee, for her unwavering support during a hard time. Her belief in me fostered self-confidence and resilience, shaping my academic success, nurturing creativity, kindness, and morals.
I want to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation to our Honorable Saurabh sir for giving us this golden opportunity to work on this project.
I also want to thank Boom Bloom Publishers for featuring our comic in their incredible book. And I also want to express my gratitude towards iLead for giving us this platform to explore our creative sides and helping us become something and make something that is truly impressive.
সৈনীর সঙ্গে অ্যানিমেশনসের শুরুটা আমার মাধ্যমে আমি ওয়ার্কিং ফ্রম অ্যানিমেশনস ফর লাস্ট 14 years. I have animation studios and working from all over world and also India. সৈনী যখন প্রথম গ্র্যাজুয়েশনস কমপ্লিট করলো আমাকে বললো আঙ্কেল কী করা যায় আলাম ইউ গোস টু অ্যানিমেশন তার কোনো জায়গা নেই ছোটোবেলা থেকে খুব ভালো ড্রয়িং করতো আমি অ্যাজ এ গার্জেন অ্যাজ এ আঙ্কেল অ্যাজ এ সাপোর্টার যেটাই হই আমি আপনাদের সবাইকে একটাই কথা বলতে চাই যে অ্যানিমেশনের মতো ওয়ার্ল্ড অ্যানিমেশনের মতো অপরচুনিটিস অ্যানিমেশনের মতো ভালো কাজ এর থেকে এই জেনারেশনের কাছে আর কিছু হতে পারে না বিকজ ট্যালেন্ট যদি থাকে আমি এটুকুনি গ্যারেন্টি দিয়ে বলতে পারি জব অপরচুনিটি আপনার বাড়ির দরজায় এসে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকবে
About Garv, I have seen him work for this day in, day out, and overall as well, he has practiced and learned on his own. Just want to say, keep doing this, and I'm very proud of both of you, and go ahead and keep doing this. Thank you so much.